Mba abi mbomole ndielo ngwatat ebi mofu songo wo ngoyi fola so ayi me nyaage ayi me songo waliza bolo sogi but aba male ejo chongo wo bibi fa aven songo mo bibi mba ifo again wo nji kom to wa o ko bongo o songo mo ala
again bon comfortable the volunteer for until preserve gbogbo ndema zɔtam fiero mɔ kan tio ala afɔ ngɔnfɔ ɔba yose tio junwe lelɔng gu bi te tio junwe bɔn etso mese oben dɔk tio junwe me lɔng kute go la abiɔ gu bi bo zere bo nite eke ba ntingle mbika yore zembɔn tsɔn de zag gumu mi bitu ye chie enu de gon al cho de ma fiega eti junwe fiega is junwe le kuonye mitenemi mu chmo am tin le mis na dog adme de ma fiega lo kutengon bon kutengon ni wota kutengon mwe kute a Cameroon kute even bon kube bete be Cameroonians ala for America tin le bol afọ bon bi kan guti nku sambie tama anu nanda wa be tile bam kan jin no zeme abon le gugo obo humble elo mbo fi olokundu be ga le buku that is ala fen atosin ku mbo mi bo but be ga le jitambe ga bo jima logan of ngon for so the man on content them go olu guga ntumoga ngomfo ele fukute ngom bielem ngom ngotet ngom Cameroon am metele mesina ngom butu juet the man namba mfie apre ayengo dema akute all dema akute juet ibi mi juet lu continue ele kute ngom ngotet ngom we ngom Cameroon ma biobi mkulu de kutega.
okay welcome to mafua mba was you ba businessman no oleji ba civil servant
Yes.
mean for administration nko business ndo business nko politics asaba mba a long run ngi nsaza lo ngi nzama nsaje nte bonza ba ba ngi ya ma le boza wo o mpite ntate so but mfa ngi o nam so nfi ga mo way forward was there gele e bi no that bi da bi yo esen jenga ta anu cho wo yi go ma le te kon e gi go ma so there gele bo jimba ya embo but o tingu o ba nem ga la kanam live safely taboga jimun kutawa bosan kula tizamo
Questo juet in facciera dico ozere legenda boya musi na bo meo ya kibili tumo meo bo ka zenangbo ba ntinle advise mbo fie enwo wala mbo nwe o tambe nwo bo bi na fie bi muka ndo bo venta ngo fa alize asif na boom na nchena eze bipiti bunu la because zes na ngo ochmo boga na reform mfa decision bo before be inwe boga decision ege la okwite banu bon wo ya bon the final say ni anujo asina bo ngon Cameroon ege mienwo asina bo po bi ya bo bon de ton ebu nkebi ntimba bi na ton agabe the secessionist bo government representative bo fa na say ntelegu nula asina bo ngon Cameroon ebo nkebi sina kute sina bo ebo Cameroon wala abagbe army Cameroon ke abagbe secessionist and the innocent you ebo Cameroon. So the only solution in Nigeria because run children when you ngulukuo we want to bring solution up to Choma. So that jungle solution of formal abib ke ala dembo solution front Cameroon and the only solution is na the Cameroonians bunga say nsomo bunula nsomo nege ala bo this one the state of the country. But meanwhile, we will be civilians who finally wondering why waiting for the better days.
Okay, so Ola Mayo Moyoka, yes, and Moyoka is one of the hottest areas.
Yes.
And in Ajimatalan Shiawa and Bubagambiana farmer elected leaders. So, go the Monashan about your answer with a rango, follow.
Yes.
Because the mayor and Nango.
Yeah. Because Bugo mayor is number 7. Gobi, no go be elected go, or go move a servant. I want to Jore Babina, you know, one comes a government affair or the opinion taxes or reinvest schools, electricity, hospitals, roads, and other social amenities. Once they have those amenities, they have that confidence, they feel elated that they have somebody who is there representing them. That's what I have been doing exactly with the Moyoka population. Those young boys and girls, they were all my children. I often call them the Benskin, the taxi drivers, the buyer and sellers. I always have meetings with them, chat with them, and I would like to explain to them what I have as resources, what I can provide for them. They saw for themselves the change that was coming to Moyoka. So that notwithstanding, when what is happening now started, they saw the way I spoke on their behalf every meeting that I went. So that gave them some degree of confidence. So to say no, but we are fighting a fight, but we cannot kill everybody. I think when it comes to dialogue, there are some people who sit on the table to talk on our behalf. And I think Mayor Ken is one of those persons.
Okay, we'll come to a mayor. Development of recent anti-forum, Fondom Forum. Okawunjo kanti unti Nigeria mobius attack with diaspora bunkan matamila mele bumasan sponsor enjo ala otengu and then
Manga of Mujagati office no was there from no America's number alas afam because we do the diaspora of feeling anti be from na sponsor more as there because the tunka the whole Congress number a global unit. So we are the force whether both sponsor or both sponsor. By the way, we don't count both sponsor for which is there. But we Dr. Loka from America. We call it a liberty there. Because someone bomb by about 700 in dog care. So it's been bonding. We focus on company guy. The rest to come with the machine talk about because that is not part of my priority. Means allez là causer government go be secretive bon à table ils sont nous ben tingle ben à pas son ta à la bon they should also touch on the state, the form of the state.
Okay.
The too much centralized system we have now is not benefiting anybody apart from the few elites that we have in Cameroon.
Apart from the few elites. Now, let's look at development ala who want to do that.
Yes.
Someone try when you over Jimbo, someone do that, and that you have been included.
Sure.
What in do that without diaspora? About 10.
From my experience, I don't believe that because Ndukuda has been existing for more than 30 years. And to the best of my knowledge, the only project I can remember was the erecting of the first building the first palace that was used to install a new phone.
Yeah.
Dr. Aka tried for his own, I think it was 4 years, because he told me that he left money in the bank about some millions.
Yeah.
Other than that, I don't know whether that organization had ever existed. So, but if you see the effort that the diasporans are putting now to sustain that organization, I think it's a welcome idea. So everybody has to play a role, whether you are in the diaspora or you are not. What do we have to know and is to work together, come together as a people, understand our differences. We are not from the same home. We are not from the same womb. We are not from the same. The common thing that brings us together is Ndumatet.
Okay.
So that argument that people carry out there about development, I'm here seated. When I saw my people in Chenmote carrying corpses on a stretcher to the hospital, I tried to bring up that why have they neglected Chenmote as far as road infrastructure was concerned. I didn't have an answer. By then there was no social media. Did you want me to go over the television or over the radio and cry? No. I bought a G7 machine, hundreds of millions, and I put there for 1 year, and the open roads leading to Chenmote. At least today, bikes can circulate there, vehicles can go there. All what is left for the population of them to keep maintaining that road that I started.
What?
That is development. Development is not on the social media. Development is on the ground. And that's why I will encourage all of us. Despite we are on the social media, we should tone down the way we talk to each other.
Okay.
Because that will also help. And to us, the elites, we should also know that everybody has a role to play in society. It's not because you are an elite, you are up there, you are a director, a mayor, a minister, you will subdue people's opinion. You can disagree with them, at the end of the day, try to convince the other party to. What is going on now in Cameroon, and Libya in particular, neither A, B cannot look at the solution.
Beyond us.
So we should not be quarreling among ourselves. We should not be putting daggers into our throat because of a situation that neither A nor B has control. But we have to be honest. We have to be honest amongst ourselves. Those who are on the other side, clamoring for the centralized system, they are not honest. Libya does not merit what it is having today. It merits
Because
more.
of their dishonesty.
Because of the centralized system.
Okay.
There is too much. So they should own up to say, no, the centralized system has not carried us to the promised land. Can we look for a change?
One question in that direction, but
Yes.
also the NNRO assemble a politica.
Yes.
So maybe in being talked question in a different forum.
Yes.
But anyway, NNRO I was an agent in be was a myself.
Yes, IDPs.
IDP. Book of one year to mock the old so far. The whole income of the foundation. Book of one year, the young concrete into the manka in here. Bolong gong year to mock your hospital be and so on and so forth. So was some of the initiative, my boy can be support them to the
I think most of the contributions which assistance to the IDPs is from the Kuda USA, which I'm a member, which I always contribute. They are doing a wonderful job. It's not part of me to see to know what they are doing. Yeah. We have a president and his executive. I think reports back from the field indicate that at least they are moving in the right direction. Now, any other thing other than that, for now, as I just came back from Cameroon, I like to have a cool head. I have my own issues as so much such that. Remember, I also have a very big company in Cameroon that I'm managing. Yeah. When I get up from bed in the morning, I have to run that company over telephone. If I come back here in the US to run the one here, it's true that my wife, who is the administrator, is doing a wonderful job here in the US. That reduces my load. But in Cameroon, I have to do everything to see that the company there is running very well. So as far as IDPs are concerned, last time I raised a question to Lukuda, USA, about the IDPs in Moyoka, Boya, and they gave me an assignment for a coordinator. Yeah. Unfortunately, I've not yet had a coordinator, because when you say coordinator, there are certain criteria. Wow. You don't just get anybody, you look for somebody who you know that effectively whatever is given to him will get to the source. I have not had that person, and I will not tell you a lie. I'm still looking. Once I lay hands to that person, I will hand the person's name to the executive to transfer those funds for him to take care of the IEPs.
Ba bon comptable tabon jamba fo bon comptable ngue ntizaba ma comptable ba NNRO abon jin comptable be no tabon comptable ale bo so ngue NNRO assemble nchu ngota so na no so ngue ngota to be very happy anu metumi bo so ngue not only happy no metumo ba anu atutugo o so ngue le ngu mo jam bi ndong jo to ba bu ma du so bo nsin comptable ya anu that your kind, humble attitude will won't keep on. My attitude will not. Never must say a blessing. What thought my poor way, my book, and what you are talking young, motor lady. Last question. Last appeal, the question about my appeal, engaged in Jamamogo, and then arrow, packaging Mozambique Jamamogo, instead of the Wobin, it tell all good, so good, my youth, about Bubakuba can succeed in Cameroon, go out of Cameroon because it's only one experience. Allah, one experience. One experience for America. So last assignment, last appeal was one center and one vent among them.
No problem. My doors are open. The good thing you have with me is I don't clock in, clock out. I don't do 8 to 5. I have my time. My calendar is always open depending on what I have for the day. For example, I told you I was going to be in the office today at 11 o'clock. Yeah. I was there. So all what you need to do is call me ahead of time and find out from me. I will check my calendar. Whenever it's open, I will tell you, okay, I will be at this point, this time, this day, and let's move on from there.
But we will come to and go and chama for last majority union will say my can come but all the parliament for that so going to see some good family if we some war Elizabeth Ziggy some war Ziggy some what is that woman some Williams are no good some was it's some was supposed to go it was some war by the wind she got that poor I don't know just if you're young lad this is a great monk war bin Israel mukumi mba bubu comfortable next program of next week maybe Saturday assemble on education able and then arrow assemble research and kind of school yi be tumbonko nzelo gre nkamelo nkamantawa nkapu nkamviet etebo invent bo mba bubu comfortable